Today's video is gonna be on the Gilson lawnmower. It's 3.5 Briggs and Stratton, or 3.5 horsepower Briggs and Stratton. It's I think it's from 1971 or maybe 70 something. I don't know, but I just know it's old. I had to put the muffler from that lawnmower because this was all that was left of the old one that came with this one. So I had to put that one on because it was too loud. And the spark plug. Is this thing right here. It doesn't even work. It doesn't work. It has spark, like when you use this it does spark, but it doesn't really work. It's small. So I had to put this one on. This get it off. I have to put this Champion this Champion J8C on. I don't even think these motors are supposed to run this, but if anybody knows what kind of spark plugs these engines take, just tell me, because I don't have any other spark plug, and this is the only one that would work. So if anybody knows, just tell me. It'll be good. And so I had to I took the air filter off because it's all dirty and full of oil. So it's not running with no air filter. I just put the cover back on. It's one of those Chocomatic Thinamajigs. I'll show you. Get this out. This piece of shit. There you go. See? Chocomatic things right here. I think it works pretty good, but I think the carb needs some work. Gas tank had really bad gas. Cleaned that out. It had no spark, so I had to clean the points. And yeah, it runs, but doesn't run right. So maybe tomorrow or something, I'm gonna go to the store and grab some carb cleaner and stuff, and maybe some degreaser or something like that. Degreaser, and to clean it all up. I checked. Oh yeah, one other problem. When I got it, one of the valves is stuck. It was a top valve. I think it might be the intake valve. I'm not sure. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it might be that's what it's called. But it was stuck open, so it wouldn't start. It would just just blow air out of the carb. So I fixed that, and it ran for about 15-20 minutes, and then it got stuck again. Couldn't start it. So 2 days ago, I took the head off again, and then this time I took the spring out. I cleaned the valve up, and now she works pretty good. I had to use 2 screwdrivers to put the spring back on because didn't have the compression tool, but it's okay. It still worked. It only took me an hour and a half, but what are you gonna do? And yeah, we'll fire it up and see how she runs. Just gotta put the spark plug back. Little toolbox. So now my brother's gonna start it up. I'll do the throttle. You just start it up. There you go.
It's not
I know. Just do it. There you go. Okay, hold on. Let's put some. Put a screwdriver. Go get a screwdriver. Put a screwdriver down here. That's how I got it to start last time. I think the carb needs some work for sure. Gas tank leaks. I might just put some of this friggin' weld stuff. This little putty, little epoxy shit. So yeah, start it up now. Pull away or whatever. Go. That's what it does, but I know it's got to be the carb that's a bit screwed. Start it up again. Oh, she backfired. Who cares?
fucking
Hold on, let me shut the carb. Okay, try that. Okay, well, I'm gonna clean out the spark plug, see what that does. Okay, so I just cleaned the spark plug. My brother just started it, so it just started. We'll start it up for you guys again. Hold on, let me. There you go. There we go. I can make it idle really slow, but she shuts off. So yeah, what are you gonna do? It's an old machine. So yeah, there you go. If anybody knows what kind of spark plug it takes, just write a comment. And